Hi from Tosh Tires. I've got a VW Touran here on a 2013 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the service light. Before I do that, switch the ignition on. Now you'd see it's service now. So the way to do it, switch the ignition on again, and you've got this button here. Just press once, press OK. Go down, up to service, press OK again. Then go on to info first, and then the service is overdue by 21 days. So if I go back, right, I've gone back. So if I go back into the same menu again, service, reset, OK. Now service reset. So if I go back, on the main menu, switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on. That's gone. Now the next service is in 9,400 miles, which is 372 days. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.